Hello guys, how are you guys doing? So I hope everyone's doing well because today in Australia is Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas. And I got a present from Amazon, which I paid for it actually. And this is a video camera that might be the best budget video camera for 2020 in 5 days probably. Yeah. So let's just unbox this camera from Amazon. As you can see, it's pretty nice pack. So this is unbranded and it's made in China. The reason I bought this camera so that I can do all these YouTube videos. As you can see, I'm currently using my Xiaomi phone to record videos, and this comes with a microphone. Pretty cool. After that, I'm gonna test this camera and try recording using this camera, and you guys can actually compare and see which one is better, my Xiaomi phone, which I bought in 2014, or this $90 camera. So this video camera is for vlogging and YouTubers. So there's 2 batteries actually. So yeah, there's 2 batteries, right? And here is a battery. Oh. So that's it. Let's check out the camera by itself. So this itself is the camera, as you can see. Oh my god, I've never had a camera before. This looks amazing. So it's called digital video camera. That's pretty standard. So it claims they can take up to HD only, not 4K. And I think here you can put the microphone jack inside, if I'm not mistaken. It's supposed to be something like this. So let's see. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So this can open. So it can be opened, something like this. See all the buttons right here. This might be the recording button, and this one I think you can turn it. Yeah, as you can see, you can turn it. Yeah, as you can see, when you take videos, you can look at the video and then take it like this. It's really cool. Okay. See this, when I was charging, I found out that the adapter is different. Because I'm living in Australia, the adapter is different. I'm not sure where is this from, but you need to have a universal adapter if you can't put it inside the socket, right? So I need to buy a universal adapter before I can charge it. So good news guys, when I open this up, it actually turned on, so it's already charged, so I do not need to actually charge before I use it. So it's already charged. So right now I can just go and test it immediately. So as you can see, it's already turned on. So right now let me just test the quality. And wait a minute. So this isn't a touch screen, I presume. Yeah, so it isn't touch screen. So when I just open this thing up, it immediately power on. So let's see what if I close. Okay, so to turn it off, you need to just close this, and when you want to turn it on, you just open this up. Yeah, perfect. So this is not a touch screen, so it's HD is pretty clear. Actually, it's pretty clear. So let's see menu. So let's try recording something. So I can record something right now. Huh. So what do you think of the quality? I'll try recording myself right now. let me change the camera for a bit, and let me try installing this onto this and just check the audio quality as well as the video quality itself. See right here, I finished setting up the camera. So I've mounted it to a tripod. This tripod, you can get it really cheap. It's around $5 or $10 in Amazon and eBay. And then everything is linked in the description below. So if you want to go check it out even with this camera. So it is mounted. I spent quite some time mounting this and then connecting everything right here. So, and if you guys see, this is the remote control, and I'm going to test it out as well. And I'm gonna just turn this thing right here. So to just look at myself, I think I should clean my table a bit. Okay. Hi guys, right now I'm outside my house, so as you can see I forgot to actually turn on the audio, and right now it's the true audio quality and video quality when I am outside. So what do you guys think of the video quality as well as the audio quality and the image quality as well? I think it's pretty decent. I'm not sure how you guys are gonna rate it, but feel free to actually rate it and leave any questions below. And if you guys want to check out this camera on Amazon, it's right in the link in the description below. And as usual, have a nice day and see you guys later.